So here I have the Hypershot tabletop game. And this is a really fun game that we picked up from Amazon, or that we ordered from Amazon. And the best thing that I really love about this, it's for kids and adults, but everything is in here. You don't need to carry anything else. You don't need any other parts. Everything is in here. So I'm just going to show you really quick how to set this up. So you just take these bottom parts off right here. You go ahead and just pull this to the side till it clicks. There you go. And you just set these up here. So you can see. There it goes. And bam, you're pretty much all set. You have the little hockey pucks here on these right here on the sides. And this is just going to be a 2-player game. And it's really fun. It has different modes. So basically what you do, there's different modes that you play. These lights light up and you try to hit that target, whatever it marks. Like I mentioned, it's different games. If I turn it on, it's super loud. I think you can lower the volume, but I haven't got there yet. But yeah, when we usually play, you know, it's game night, so we don't have to worry about the volume. We're having so much fun. It has these little rollers here at the bottom that makes it like smooth on the surface whenever you roll it. But it gets really intense. It gets really intense when you're going back and forth and, you know, trying to win.